Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm back with the rest of my Newhomy order. And this is the special part I was talking about. So this is a larger piece here. I'm interested to see this one. I'm not quite certain what I got myself into here. I thought I knew what it was, but when I get it here, it's a little different than what I thought. So I thought it was like all special drills, but apparently it's not, as you can tell. I mean, because look at all of that F, all of that multi-placing there. So this is a full drill, but look, I think it's a full drill with special drills on it. Okay, let's just get into it so we can see it. Yeah, it's not exactly what I thought I was getting. I thought it was like just a... Well, actually, I thought it was more like something I'd already had before, which had just a few regular drill, more special, I don't know. Okay, this is interesting, you guys. Very interesting. All right. So there's, oh man, there's all of our goodies. These are not in a bag. These are in a bag. Okay. All right. That's our drills. We'll look at all that in a minute. Okay. So we're going to need some space here because you saw I unrolled for a while. It's a nicer, softer canvas. Not, well, it is a thicker, it's thick but soft, but it's not real stiff like oil canvas. I mean, they're probably all oil canvas, but I already showed you the drill field. It has 28 colors, and apparently it has just these two specials. Oh, wait, and an AB and two ABs. So it's got two ABs and two specials is what it looks like, and the rest is regular drill. Okay, a lot of white multi-placing, right? 762. I'm not familiar with that number. It's not one that I would have. Okay, so bird, flowers, and it is a multi-panel is what it is. That's one panel. I knew it was multi-panel. And then, okay, these are going to be special drills. You can see where those go, right? You can clearly see these orange, right? And the rest is full drill. So it's full drill with some specials on it. Okay, let's keep going. So we have more birds and butterflies and flowers. And the centerpiece, like in a wreath type setting. And we have another one over here. So these can all be done separate. And that's what I would do. I would take them right apart and do them separately, okay? There are some special drills here in the centers of the flowers, and we have special drills over here in the branch. So we have birds and flowers. Yeah, I thought it was going to be just more of a background with some regular drills and some special drills. I didn't realize it was going to be full drill like this with special drills on it. Anyhow, I would take these right apart and do them one at a time. I still have to finish the other one I did like one panel of first mesh and the specials. But you got a legend over here. This one does not have a legend, so you need to make sure you keep these close by if you need your legend. But yeah, so it says it's 45 by 105 for the whole thing. But what I'm really interested in is just how big is one section, right? One section, let's do the drill field only. It's almost 30, so it's like 29 and a half by almost 40. So this is almost a true 30 by 40 each section. I'd call them 30 by 40. They're close enough. And that's a full, drill field. 30 by 40. It's kind of cool. I mean, yeah. It'll take a while to do that, won't it? All right, so let's see what all we got. So this bag right here is not in a bag. Our toolkit is in here. No bag for the drills. I don't think I can fit them in that one, but anyhow, like I said, there are 28 colors. And there's going to be multiple bags of each color. All right. So look, we have number 13, 3 bags of gray. Okay, 13, number 13. That is our background. Okay, so it's not white at all. It's not blue, it's gray. So the whole background will be gray. Interesting. Some pink, a lot of pink. Little tiny bit of this. Little tiny bit of that. Greens, because we have a lot of greenery, right? More green. More green. Another pink. Little tiny bit of this cream color here. Little bit of blue. Some yellow. White. More white. Okay, and here's our special drills. Let's flip this over. So it's exactly what it looked like. We get red and we get orange. Okay. Well, we haven't found the ABs yet, so they must be in the other bag. Oh, that 13, that gray color. Yeah, 3 bags wasn't enough. 3 bags wasn't even close. Let's see how many more we have. A bunch. All right, so here we go. So how many were there here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, that's a lot of grays. Some more yellow, yellowy orange, real orange. More pinks. These are all different pinks too. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4. I haven't found ABs yet. I thought there were ABs. 3, 2, and 1. I did not see any ABs. Did you? 5,200. Number 26 and number 25. Where's 26 and 25? Okay, this is going up to 13. It should be in this strip, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. What numbers did I say they were? 24 and 25. Well, 24 is not an AB. No, 25 and 26. Here's 25. 25, that is not an AB. 26 is not an AB. All right, well, that's kind of disappointing. They're not ABs. Said they were supposed to be, but they clearly are not. See any extra shimmer and shine on those? No. No, not AB. Okay, well, So what numbers are they? They are 444 and 5,200. Well, we can certainly make 5,200 AB if we wanted it to be, but it was advertised as AB. Anyhow, I mean, it'd still be pretty, but it's just not exactly what they said it was. Okay, so there's that. That's a lot of drills, though. Oh, that's a lot of work. Okay, you go over there. You just hang out over there. Let me show you this last thing. And this, Miss Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds, is going to help with this because she has some plans to help some people do a little miniature. Excuse me. And she said that actually the little tins are easier to do than the houses. She said you wouldn't think they would be because they're smaller, but there's not as much to do on these as there are on the houses, and that's what makes them easier. So let me show you what we have. Oh, it's very cute. Wow, super cute. They're called box theaters, and it is a metal tin. Okay, look at box theater, 2 little rabbits. It says, "Welcome to Harry and Bella Dream Theater." And look at, there is absolutely nothing inside that tin. It's just a plain silver tin. Okay, there's our tin. Here's our little bags of goodies. And, oh, this is wiring. She said once you wire the small ones, you can wire the bigger houses. All right, so we got all kinds of things. Oh my goodness, what in the world is this? No clue. No. Does it stand on this? I don't know. Who knows? have no clue what that's for. Absolutely no clue what that is for. Unless you stand it up, unless it's a little easel to hold up your little house. That's all I can figure. I don't know. So she's gonna go over this. She's gonna help. Here's the little book. Countryside Notes, Box Theater. Look, you put little sayings and stuff at the top, and then your little stuff goes down at the bottom. Grandma's Garden. How cute. Okay, it is a stand. Okay, that's what I thought it was. It had to be a stand, right? It's a stand. There it is. Here's all your pieces. Tells you what's in your parts packages. More pieces. This must be all inventory. And then what? That tells you how to put things together? I guess so. Tells you the pieces you need, how to put things together. There's still a lot to do. Holy smokes. Yeah, still a lot to do. Anyhow, there's what goes on the inside of your tin, right? Okay. Well, she's going to walk us through this, and she's going to help us do this. So this is, I know this is wiring, and this is all of the parts. Lots of parts. I wouldn't have thought there'd be this many parts for a little tin, right? But those are wood. Ooh, got some mossy carpet, some corrugated. There's some, oh my gosh. Okay, you see my thumbnail, right? You see how big the bunnies are that go inside the thing? Wires. I got gravel. All right, they sent me a bag of gravel. Oh, ugh, this looks messy. Looks like it's all falling apart. Okay, more wood pieces. Bag B. Oh, and look at these. These are falling apart. Brandy, they're falling apart. What do you do? And then little tiny pieces. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So I'm ready for my class. I have my box. I'm ready to go. So, oy, oy, oy. All right. I'll put all this stuff away in a bit. But she said they're easier. Okay. All right. I'm going to trust you on that one. The box is bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know. I was thinking more like an Altoid box size, but they're actually, it's a cute box just by itself, but let me see our picture again. Okay, so let me get you up close. This is what it's supposed to look like. Look, there's a little table and chairs. Looks like there's a little bedroom upstairs. Oh, that little grape stuff hanging off the top up here. Yeah, that's what's falling apart in my bag. Oh, there's some more over here. The gravel, I mean, the size of the gravel in this picture makes them look like stones. But then the bunnies look kind of big too, but I don't know. There we have it. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna need some help. All right, well, that's what I got on this part of my Newhomy order, you guys. So there you have it. I'm going to go now, and I'm going to put all these little pieces away, and I'm going to wait for class. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to listen to the teacher. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. And if you have one of these and you want to, you know, get a little help how to do it, Brandy's organizing something, and we're gonna do it, okay? So you can get these on Newhomy, and you can get the houses too. Just in case you wanted to know, you can get the box theaters and the mini houses. I'm telling you, Newhomy's got all kinds of stuff. Okay, I'm done. I'm leaving. Thanks for watching, subscribing, hanging out. I'll talk to you later.